Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here on Aneke Budget. Hey. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, turn your notification on. If you do enjoy this video, hit that like button. Okay, that's a W. And then leave your 2 cents with your comments down below, because we would love to have you join the family. And let me hear what you got to say and talk to me, okay? But as you guys can see, we're doing a budget closeout. Is it a budget closeout? Oh my god, it's a budget closeout. Oh my god, it's a budget closeout. It's a budget closeout / expense update, expense tracking update, y'all, so you can see all the tea, all the good jazz, and what we're doing here on this good Monday. It's really Monday night, y'all. And I know this video is super late, but y'all, life been lifing today, okay? So get into it. But without further ado, because I'm not here to take up a lot of your time, just some of your time, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I just zoomed y'all in so we can be up close and personal, because baby, this check about to be checking, and I do have a red and a green pen just to make sure that we are good for the good, okay? So let's talk about it like we always do. My bills account did not change from $2,900. We love to see it. My salary stayed at $751. And so yes, $3,651 is what we worked with for this check, because we love a good cash. Okay, we love a good paycheck. I did pay this $1,320 for a mortgage. HOA was $50, okay, real cute. Driven Elite, $25, real cute for that. Patreon, $17.50. Internet, $98.38. This was actually $94.38, but we just gonna go ahead and put it out there because this is paid on my credit card. So extra $4 to my credit card balance. We love it. We love all of it. But we're gonna say we paid $98. Just let it slide, okay? Let it slide. Pest control, $68.82. And my pest control people came and did my house, y'all. I think they did it on, like, I don't know, Thursday, Friday, one of them days, child. Merrick, I did do $200, so I do send my dad money through Western Union, and I try to separate them, $100 for like 15 days and then another $100 for the next 15 days. It's basically to help him while he's down there to get food and stuff in Jamaica. But for this one, I just sent both monies at the same time, just in separate amount, because y'all, I'm learning how to budget and he doesn't know how to budget, and so I'm not giving him all the money at once because I don't want him to use the entire thing for the entire month, you know. Hey man, you gotta know your peoples, and once you know your peoples, you know how to do it. And so he just needs them separated, in my opinion. And that might be different, but I don't know. So that's what works for me, and that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna leave that $200 there. Apple Care and Apple One is $26.83. That is the $8.55 for my Apple Care, and then the $18.18 for my Apple One, which is family music for everybody. So that is, like I said, $26.73. My water and electricity, I haven't paid this yet. So this is a pending bill. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that at 0. My ADT security is $60.27, and so this amount is actually down. So it was $2076.27, and we're just gonna minus this $210 right here, and so $1,866.27 is what we actually have left over. Moving down, so $36.51 minus $1866.27 leaves me with $1,784.73. Hit the road, Jack. I know that's wrong. So it was 2076.70 minus 210. So the actual number is 1866.70, child. I don't know where that 27 came from, but 70. So 1866.70, and this 3651 minus 1866.70 leaves me with $1,784.30. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, my tithes, they get paid first before any of my budgets. So I did pay that $76 for tithes. Groceries, I did put that $210, y'all, and I've been spending, y'all, not really spending my groceries, but I did dip a little bit into it, y'all. I need to get my life together. My gas did get $120, and I'm basically on less than 50 miles left, so your girl needs to refill her up. My allowance was $30. Like, kiss that goodbye. Kiss it goodbye. Household was $40. Toiletries was $30. Hair care, $42, and this stayed at $548, and nothing changed with this. So when you subtract from that $1,784.30 minus $548, we're left with $1,236.30. So $1,236.30. Okay, let me lift her up a little bit so that we can slip and slide and talk about it while we ride. All right, I did put $125.30 towards my emergency fund and 30 cents. Home maintenance did get $50. Car maintenance did get $50. Car insurance did get $15. Travel, we gave it $75 because we are leaving in a couple months. My birthday did get $50 because, again, my birthday. Family birthday got $10. Clothing got $10. And then family visits got $40 right there. So, again, this was $425.30. We didn't really subtract anything from that. So, if you subtract $425.30, you have $811 that is remaining. Okay? My 1 month ahead and saving challenges, they both got nothing, so that was $0. Nothing changed for that. And then 601 was my total remaining. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, this remaining is supposed to be 601. No, this remaining is 811. Oh my god, girl, pay attention. So my 425 leaves me with 811. Okay, and then that is supposed to be 811. Y'all, I don't know what I'm on, but I need to pay attention. And then my Navy Fed gets $200. My car payments get $401. And so that is $601 right here for total, and then minus 601 from my 811, and so my remaining is $210, which the $210 is what my water and electricity from over here. So I'm not zero-based budget because I don't know what those two amounts is, so they're going to be rolled over basically into the next paycheck, and we'll keep an eye on it to make sure that everything is good. So my income is $3,651. My expenses is $1,866.70. My cash envelopes is $548. My sinking funds, $425.30. My additional savings, she said nope. My additional debt is $601, and I do have a remaining of $210.00. And I prefer it that way because not too much, you feel me? So instead of me having, I want to say it used to be like $1,000 or something in there, I literally paid all my bills up front. Literally all of my bills are paid up front, so we're all good. Yeah, it's not going to show it how I want to show it just because the other things happen, but I did get that deposit, and hello, I'll show it to y'all when we have our next budget. But I did leave with $210 in my checking account, so really love that. So what we're gonna do real quick, which today is the 8th and I've spent some money, is I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek into what is in my cash envelope binder currently, because I do need to make some updates on here. So let me get y'all into it. My Tithe has nothing because I've already digitally transferred it. My groceries, however, needs to have a change of heart, baby, or a change of coins, because right now, let me see how much it has in there. Right now, my groceries has $200 in here, and I need to take out $66. So let me update this real quick. Oh, shoot. Okay, so yes, y'all are seeing. So for the 8th, I took out poppies and minus $10. Yeah, that's my problem. This was my problem from last month, is that I'll be taking out money from groceries and putting it, using it for food. But I still need to take out $56 out of here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to gas and see if gas has that money. It's $100. So that's excuse me, that's 100. It's 100, 10, 20, 30, 31. So still 131 for gas. And then my allowance don't even look there. Household, it don't have no money. Toiletries, let's see if it has a 5. It has 5 ones. It only has 4, unfortunately. Gosh darn it. Let's go to hair care. Maybe hair care has some money in there in ones. Hit the road, Jack. What's up with these 4 $1 bills? Like, what am I on? I don't know what I'm on, y'all, but I have 4 $1 bills. So let me get some money real quick for some ones, and then I will come back, y'all, and show y'all the change out of this. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got me some change because baby doing the most. So we're gonna count up $200. That's a 100, 150, 171, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 200. So I did have 200 left in groceries, and I need to take out $56. So I'm gonna take out the 50 right here, this 5 and the 1, and so this is 56 that's taken out, as you guys can see. Ooh, let me put this back. So $56 right here is taken out, and then now I have 100, 120, 140, 41, 42, 43, and 44 that is remaining. So I'm going to do this for, what day did I buy these groceries? I bought them on Saturday. So, and Saturday was the 6th. So 4.6 was Walmart. Okay, minus $56. And so I'm left with 144. Y'all, that was a day after I sprained my ankle. And I tell you, your girl was out here struggling for her life, for my life, y'all. And so I could not do nothing. Movement, no. Standing, no. Nothing at all I couldn't do. I'm going to add this money in my back to bank. And allowance, y'all, allowance, I've just been using the money that's in here. So I literally have $2. Y'all, when I tell you allowance, just never mind. I went to Sonic, I had breakfast, I had lunch, I bought water. I just been living my best life with this allowance money. I need to calm down. But I literally only have, what, $2? $2. Crazy. I'll make the updates, the further updates for this later, because there's no, for last week, which is what we're updating this for, there's no further updates. It was $9 left, and yes, I used 7 today. Household didn't use anything last week. Toiletries didn't use anything last week, and hair care didn't use anything last week. We have necessities and back to bank, and back to bank doesn't have a thing. It doesn't. Hold on, hold up, y'all. Let me put a budget sheet in back to bank, because what is going on, girl? What is going on? I don't know what is going on, but we're fixing it right now. All right. Back to bank, and we starting off with 0, and we are depositing $56, as you guys can see. This is 4.8 when we are doing this deposit. It is coming from groceries, which is how I like to write mine. For back to bank is what envelope I took the money from. We are adding $56. And so now we have $56 that needs to go back to the bank. Normally, so I would have normally used the money that's in my cash envelope to pay for these, because that's what I'm doing for the month of April. But because I sprained my ankle, your girl was not going in the store, and so somebody else picked my groceries for me, and so that is how I ended up with online purchases rather than doing it myself. So yeah, y'all, that's all the things. That's what I wanted to show y'all. Again, I know this video is super late. It's probably gonna be out at like 11 o'clock at night. That's fine, as long as I post today. I missed Sunday yesterday, and I was like, girl, what is you on? So I have to post an extra video. But that is all the things, y'all. That is all the things. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and you know, watching me figure out my money chart, because girl, what am I on? But yeah, y'all, yeah, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos that I've posted for tonight and all the other nights. I hope that you guys ate well for today and all the other days. I hope that you guys ate well, whether it's mentally, physically, spiritually, or emotionally. What? Mentally, physically, emotionally, or financially. Mentally, physically, emotionally, socially, financially. All of them, y'all. I hope y'all ate well and I ate good. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one, which is what? Tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.